Hey little bugs, welcome back to my channel. You guys already know it's your girl Ashley, and today it's going to be a start to finish wig install. We're also going to be doing some styles. This one is a full lace wig from RPGSHOW. So right now I have it in the traditional bust down center part, little baby hair going on. But you'll see in the video after the install, we're going to do 2 French braids and you're going to see how beautiful the back looks. We're going to do space buns in this one and 2 ponytails in this one. I just want you to see the versatility and how easy it is to make a wig like this look super fire, and also to maximize your dollars. So without further ado, be sure to check out the description box for details on everything in the video, including a direct link to this wig. Also, while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe. It's like the description box, and right below it is a subscribe button. Go ahead and help me out. It'll help me out so much. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the video.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation, wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel what is left. I've been thinking about us and the things you say, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said, how you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start, and you never.
Wave, my inner soul make a village glow. You can see the real through my inner scope. Real grows with a feel cold. Get my spirit to the pen stroke. Young Westbrook and the rim is low. Sweet tang when I fall through. When I hit the queen with the give and go. I've been getting close, I've been finna go. I've been in a mode when my pupils dilated. Take the beat and then annihilate it till the siren faded. Fuck a violation, I've been going places. It's no escaping how I ride my wave and chasing Percy meals with no limitation. Carve a smile with they straight faces. Therapeutic, self-medicated, I've been doing fine for a low life. Seeing clear through the low lights. Straight gas for the stove light. Chasing green, all I know is to go. They semi-pro when the show's right. Third finger to my old life. I can't lose. Count up the blue. Spend nothing, reboot. Put on for the crew. It's a coup. Don't got no roof, so I can shoot for the star beam, yeah.
Heart race, pounding.
So I can shoot for the star beam. So I can shoot. So I can shoot for the star beam, yeah.
Flash, heart race, pounding. Get that.
So I can shoot for the star beam. So I can shoot.
Lay up, the sound is.
So I can shoot for the star I just hit the Brody, what you want? I just cut myself a little map to remind me where I'm from and where I'm going and where I'm at. Only trip shit up my tulips. I talk that true shit. I'm out here trying to smell the roses while I'm still here. I'm at the crib, getting toasted. I'm off the dosage. My mind is glowing, set the blow up from how I mold it. Never forfeit, must be clutch, how the way I close it. Taking more than I can fold. Flip it, watch it close here. You might pick up on a pro tip. I got the torch, let they want my business to reside right by where they knows it. Give my image some distortion. Yeah, bitch, I come from where the floor is top ramen bullshit. I used to live off of the more, so now I get portions. Since 18, been on my loan, so my life been cordless. But then I learned the carpe diem, now that shit looking gorgeous. 2020 with the vision sharp and decent job to come from where the void is. Wanna cop the crib with the cash bag, get the last laugh for no mortgage. My mind spinning out of orbit, but right now feeling so right. Flip a third finger to my old life. I can't lose. Count up the blue, spin that then reboot. Put on for the crew. It's a coupe, don't got no roof, so I can shoot for the star, yeah.
Fast, man. Heart race, pounding.
So I can shoot for the star,
Sky high,
so I can shoot.
way up where the sound is.
Yeah, hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. I'm on my bling bling song, yeah. I could do this all day long now. I don't know where I belong now. Tell me where it all went wrong now. Yeah, oh no, no, oh please don't go. I got shows, I'm on the road. I'm headed home, I'm where that at. I don't know, but all these flows make me mad. I got a cold, and what's my goal? To be or not to be, that to be. Making up my mind while I'm puffing on that doobie. When I'm on my own, can't stop thinking about my roomies. Please don't call my phone, can't you see I'm with the rubies? Ruby, Ruby, I got a brand new whip, red and gold, yeah. Hop up in that backseat out at foreign. Don't nobody try some things and call me your opponent. Got a bunch of commas, then I roll up with the Rolex. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Hundreds on my bed, flexing with the bill. Roses in my wallet and I'm flexing it for real. Racks and racks and racks, I look like rookie of the year. Frontin' with the cash, it's getting moody over here. Yeah, I'm licking at my lollipop, and my mama starting to ask me where my money from. And my papa, he gon' call me when that popo come. See me run up on that hill like I'm at Comic-Con. Ooh.
We don't give a fuck, give a fuck, give a fuck, fuck. Give a fuck,
Okay, bro, we are done with this look. I definitely had fun. This definitely was a beautiful challenge and I am happy I was up for the game. So you guys know that this is a full lace wig. So I challenged myself to go in and just show you guys different ways to wear a part of the hair. Now because I know I just more so trying to show off the lace, I didn't do it as neat. For example, the braids or the ponytails were not necessarily neat, or even the space buns, but it just kind of was to give you an idea of options you could utilize with this wig, but not really wanting to like mold it down because I knew I wanted to just ultimately wear it straight, but more so just give you guys versatility. One thing I love about this wig is that the lace is on point and it matches my complexion. I did not add powder, concealer, lace tint, or anything to the lace or the parting to make it blend with my complexion. It blends so perfectly that I just feel like I would probably mess it up and add a cast to it or make it too light or too dark by adding anything. So I'm going to leave it as is. Now you guys already know this one came from RPGSHOW and they have some of the best quality hair on the market. This one came colored with these beautiful, I guess you would call it like brown, like a honey brown, a little bit darker than honey blonde, highlight like streaks throughout, and it's done so discreet and tasteful that it doesn't give like the streaky, you know, highlight look that some wigs may give. And then the root is completely dark, which also makes the wig look very rich and well made and, you know, just expensive. So in the box, you guys already know their tissue paper has their logo on it, super nice. Also inside you do have this cute little sequin. It's like a couple sequin pieces on it. Headband is like a pinky mauve color, very nice. I love having different like headbands and accessories because you know how like you may end up like purchasing a pair of shoes or a bag or a top or whatever it could be, and you may be like, I don't have anything to match it. So I love when companies send me stuff like this. It's very beautiful and unique because one of these days I'm sure I have something in my closet and I want to accessorize and put it all together. This will work really nice as a beautiful, you know, headband to accessorize. Also, they gave me some brown wig caps, and then they also gave the flyaway tamer. You guys know the flyaway tamer is like a wax stick and it works to tame your flyaways. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I'm gonna take some pictures in this beauty right here. Be sure to check out RPGSHOW, direct link in the description box, as well as everything you need to know about this video. I'm Ashley. If you're tuning in for the first time, stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.